Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Now, it's dark out here, but it's really unreal here. We must have 40-mile-an-hour gusts out here. Let me see if I can get any kind of a tree. There, you can see it in the far distance, how the wind is blowing here and howling. I'm going to shut up for a minute. Really wild. All right, have a good night, but this is kind of scary. It doesn't sound like this where I live. It's even blowing my iPad in my hand. All right, catch you next time. It's kind of creepy out here because it sounds like about 100,000 cars in the background. Bye-bye for now.